Hello everybody, Camelia here. Welcome to a new episode in my sewing vlogs. Well, it's really late here. It's almost, I think it's after 11 in the evening. So I really need to take a shower and, I don't know, go to watch Netflix. But I just finished sewing the Luova dress from Named. I really wanted to have it done, and I'm going to take a minute to also to put the pattern away and everything, because I'm really fed up with it. I mean, the pattern is great. The shirt, I made it maybe in 2 hours. But with this one, I had, I don't want to say bad luck, but there were so much things that I did wrong. I mean, things that yesterday I didn't pick the back. I turned it and stitched it back together. And today I was... where was I? I wanted to close the side seams to sew them together, but then I saw that my back, it was actually at my little back, you know, and I'm talking about this little side seam here. It was way too long for my front, so I went back to my front to see what went wrong here. And I realized that because also when I made the shirt, I did have a little bit of difficulty to find out, because I printed 4 sizes and there were a bunch of lines here. The dart has 3 lines, and there is, so the legs and the center, and there is 1 line from here to here, which is for the bust. I don't know what was in my head, but when I raised the bust point, the point of the dart, instead of following the 2 legs of the dart, I followed the middle of the dart and the bust line of the pattern. So my bust intake was much bigger here at the side than what my real dart was, and my real dart is actually this little one here. And I found it really strange, because my dart ended up somewhere in the armhole, but I still went, you know, ahead and put the pocket and everything. The pockets, they are looking a bit strange in this light, but they are sitting actually nicely. So anyway, I had to unpick the sleeve, because my dart line was coming into the sleeve. And I unpicked it and I did my best to make the dart again using, actually I did threw it up a little bit here to get my side seam length. So, you know, but it fits nice. It's a loose fit, and this was my this is how I saved this dress, because it's a loose fit, and you know, you can, I did have a little bit of room to save stuff. So this is it. It's really nice. I only had to sew a bunch of buttons, and I promised that I'm going to show it to you tonight. So that's why I did finish it, and I sewed 5, 10, 13 buttons. Usually the buttons, they are the ones that they are taking the longest, but because I wanted to show it to you. You know, it's really a loose fit, as you can see, but you can imagine in this linen, it's really very comfortable. And I'm thinking maybe I can wear this with also with boots. I have it now with nothing, but maybe with tights and boots, and maybe to make it a little bit more wearable for the colder season, with turtleneck or something like that, with something tight could work. But for the summer, this is great. This is really very how should I say? Yeah, you can see it, it's very loose. So this is it. I'm going to take some pictures and make a nice blog post on Minerva website. There will be there some details, and maybe I'm going to make also but I have a bunch of projects that I want to share with you here on maybe on a fuller video. I have a bunch of dresses that I made also from Sew Over It, and you know, for the summer in the Minerva exclusive challis. And what I have more, there is some more stuff there. And today, when I was looking for the buttons for this dress, I found some buttons for a sweater or a cardigan that I knit in the summer, and still waiting for the buttons. So to finish up this evening, I really need to go to take a shower. I wanted to show you the fabric that I got from Minerva that I'm going to use for for Yvette dress from Designer Stitch. It's really, really nice, and I really wanted a dark print or a print on a dark background, so this one is perfect. And I'm going to make again a longer version like the one that I made already. You can see it here on the channel, maybe just a little bit shorter, and I think again with the long sleeves, because this is going to be great for the fall. So I think this is going to be my next project because it's really fast, and the pattern is, you know, I made it already a few times, and I hope it's going to be without any major, I don't know, disasters. So this was it. I think the slits here in the back are really nice. This is really, really, I think I need to get used to this really loose fit. I might say that I like the shirt version better, but this fabric is making it so, I don't know, very nice to wear. It's hanging really nice on my body. Okay, anyway, I don't want to make this too long. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you want to follow up with these videos, don't forget you can subscribe to the channel, and I would like to have a thumbs up for the video. Subscribe to the channel, put notifications on, and I will do my best to work the videos, you know, before midnight at least. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like my new dress. Or it's a tunic actually, it's not a dress. Yes. Okay. Bye. Love you, everybody. Bye.